In this problem of factorials, we have to find the value of 8 double factorial multiply 8 triple factorial whole divided by 8 single factorial. As we know that n single factorial is equals to n multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 up to 1. Similarly, n double factorial is equals to n multiply n minus 2 multiply n minus 4 up to 1. And similarly, n triple factorial equals to n multiply n minus 3 multiply n minus 6 up to 1. So the value of 8 single factorial is equals to 8 multiply 7 multiply 6 5 4 3 2 1, and 8 double factorial is equals to 8 multiply 6 multiply 4 multiply 2 multiply 1. Similarly, 8 triple factorial is equals to 8 multiply 5 multiply 2 multiply 1. This problem simplifies to 8 double factorial equals to 8 multiply 6 multiply 4 2 1, and 8 triple factorial 8 multiply 5 2 1 whole divided by 8 factorial, that is 8 multiply 7 multiply 6 5 4 3 2 1. From here 8 is cancels 8, 6 cancels 6, and 4 cancels 4, 2 cancels 2. From here 5 cancels 5, so the remaining is, from here it is 8 multiply 2 divided by 7 multiply 3, which is equals to 16 divided by 21. For this question, our answer is 16 divided by 21.